Hey guys, it's Mr. Nanamacher. Haven't seen you in a while, but we are going to actually use this screencast-o-matic for our current events, and then I don't know that we're going to use Zoom. What I'm going to do is do this screencast, and then I'm going to post it onto Google Classroom. I think this is something that Mrs. TG does as well, so you guys should be used to this screencast link that you can click on. Then all of you can get a free download of Screencast-O-Matic using your Google account, and you can also read off your current event and post it in comments of your section, and then you can watch your classmates' current events and you can comment on them if you have an appropriate comment. Obviously, you guys have been doing a really nice job of that, sharing things and letting me know what you've been doing. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I've been busy. I've been teaching my couple of my kids, Jacoby and Eli. We do homeschool every day in the basement for a couple hours and do some first grade stuff and some TK stuff and staying busy that way. We really like the nice weather. In fact, that is my grateful comment for today. Today I am grateful for no rain outside. I thought it was maybe going to rain today, but the rain stayed away. So I'm grateful for no rain so we can play outside. We've been practicing a lot of baseball. We've been playing on our trampoline, on our play set. Been doing a lot of stuff outside. So my current event for this episode is that today was supposed to be opening day for Major League Baseball. I got my Twins hat on, repping the Twins. Some of you guys are Twins fans. Some of you are not. That's okay. But yes, it's kind of a sad day that opening day doesn't get to happen. But I told you guys to focus on something positive. And so my positive is that despite the fact that there's no baseball today, Major League Baseball on their website is putting on a bunch of games. It's 30 games today that they're going to put on. You can watch them on the website for free. And I've taken advantage of that already today. I watched a little bit of the Twins game 163, which, if you don't know what that means, that's an extra game. It's a tiebreaker game, and that was from 2009. So I was in college. I actually went to that game with some friends and got to watch it in the old Metrodome in Minneapolis before they had their new stadium built. So I watched that earlier, and then I also watched a couple other games, just different bits and pieces of them, not the whole game. Baseball games take a long time. If you guys have ever watched one of those, you'll know what I'm talking about. So how does that impact me? Well, obviously I was looking forward to opening day today and watching the real Twins, this year's Twins, but that's not going to happen. So it impacted me by giving me a chance to still watch baseball today, which is what I was going to do, hopefully, if everything was on schedule. And then how does that impact different people? What impact does that have? I feel like it impacts baseball fans. It gives us encouragement. It gives sports fans encouragement. There's a lot of sports that were canceled because of this virus, and we haven't been able to watch live sports in a long, long time. And so Major League Baseball did a really cool thing today by giving us those games for free, which they usually cost money to watch games on their website. So if you are a baseball fan, I would encourage you to go on to MLB.com, and they are streaming games all day today. It can give you a nice break to watch something different rather than just Netflix or Prime Video or Hulu or whatever you like to watch. So that's all I got for today. I'm going to upload this onto each different classroom, and you guys feel free to share your current event. I had a couple questions. Do we print our current event? Do we turn in our current event? You guys certainly can turn it in, and then I can read through them as well. But what I would do if you have a printer at home is you can print these, and then you can read off of them, or you can look at your current event. You can try and memorize it. You can just set this screencast on and turn it on and just read off your current event. You do what you want to do. You don't have to memorize it. You can easily just print it off or look at it on a different screen maybe and read off so we can hear what your current event is. Just a reminder, if you're going to do one about the coronavirus, let's try to do something positive. I've had a couple questions about that as well. Can we do a positive coronavirus story? Yes, there are good stories out there. But let's stay away from just the fact that coronavirus is going on and we've got people stuck in their homes, and that's not always positive news. So We are looking for the positive news in today's world. Take your time doing this. You have a full week. Just because I did this today doesn't mean that you have to. You have until next Wednesday to get it posted. Have your parents help you with this Screencast-O-Matic. I'll put the link in your classroom as well. And like I said, it's a free download if you use your Google login for your school account. So, hope you guys are all having a great day. It's nice outside today and tomorrow. Maybe a little bit of rain coming later, but looks like next week is going to be nice weather. We go on walks every once in a while. Maybe I'll see some of you guys out. Social distance. Make sure that you're washing your hands and staying 6 feet away from people that you don't normally live with. And just stay at home, guys. This will all pass, and we will see each other in school very soon. I look forward to seeing some of your faces on this video chat. Again, we're not going to do a Zoom. We're going to try this, and if this doesn't go well, then maybe we'll do a Zoom sometime next week or the week after that. But hopefully we see each other in person very, very soon. Take care, guys. We'll talk to you later.